Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Rolex Yacht-Master 40 in Everose Gold, reference 116655. I'd like to remind you we're here at Wixon Jewelers in Minneapolis, Minnesota, taking a look at this piece. They're an authorized retailer of Rolex and many other premium brands. So now let's jump right into this watch. So as I said, this is the Yacht-Master 40 in Everose Gold, and it has a 40. It obviously has a 40 millimeter case size, which is very nice. It makes the case look very similar to that on the Rolex Submariner, and I think that size is absolutely perfect. I really like how this watch looks overall. I love the contrast between the Everose Gold and the red lettering on the dial. I think that looks really nice. One thing that's kind of sad about this watch is that it's been a little bit overshadowed by some of Rolex's newer releases, such as the new Sea Dweller, and I think that's probably because this watch only has a 100 meter water resistance as opposed to the Submariner's 300 meter water resistance, and it makes this watch not a serious diver. Also, it is a bidirectional bezel as opposed to a unidirectional bezel, and I think, again, it makes it not really suitable for diving, but it definitely is a sports watch. I mean, it has the beautiful Oyster Flex bracelet, which is extremely comfortable and great for kind of sporting activities. I'd imagine wearing this watch playing tennis or other action sports such as that, or golf, which is probably what it's mainly made for, to be honest, but I really like how this watch feels and looks. So this watch is equipped with Rolex's 3135 movement, which has a 48-hour power reserve, which is perfect in my opinion. You don't need any more than 48 hours, as you can kind of wind it. And anyone who has this watch probably has a watch winder anyways. But I think, again, it should at least be 48 hours, which is perfect. So, again, going back to the bezel, so it is a bidirectional bezel. The clicks are not audible, so it's very different feeling than the Submariner, but it has a very nice kind of lock up and feel to it as you glide it along. So now I'll try this watch on for a wrist shot, and the clasp is fairly similar to the Rolex Submariner. It's also an Everose Gold, and it has one exception to the Submariner in that it does not have a diver's extension, but it feels completely high quality nonetheless. So I'll try it on here. Oh, wrong way. It's a little bit hard to put it on if you're looking in the camera. All right. So slide that guy on there so it snaps on very nice. So as I said, the 40 millimeter case size is pretty much perfect. I have about a 6.5 inch wrist in circumference, and I think it looks absolutely great. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you. And if you want to learn more about this watch to a further extent than I discussed in this video, I'll also be leaving a link in the description to it. Thank you.